Here's a question. Why do families spend $60,000 on buying a luxury SUV when they could buy the Chevy Traverse High Country? At first glance, the Traverse High Country doesn't look like it's going to show off. It has a clean, upscale look, chrome accents, LED lighting, and just enough presence to stand out without being over the top. Under the hood is Chevy's proven 3-liter V6 producing 310 horsepower. In a world that's moving towards smaller, turbocharged engines, there's something refreshing about a naturally aspirated, smooth V6. And it's easy to live with. Out back, the Traverse offers plenty of cargo space, and with a third folded row, it becomes a serious, practical road trip machine. Whether you're hauling luggage, sports equipment, or a weekend project, this has the room. This is where families will spend most of their time, and Chevrolet got it right. The captain's chairs are comfortable, getting into the third row is easy, and there's enough room for adults who won't mind sitting back here. Unlike a lot of SUVs that advertise 3 rows, the Traverse actually delivers. The third row isn't just for kids. Most adults can fit back here comfortably. First impressions. This car does not drive like a big SUV. Doesn't feel like it has 7 seats in it. It's really comfortable and it drives over the road beautifully. If you are buying this, you are looking at understated luxury. This is what it was designed for. You know, to answer the question I asked at the beginning, why would anybody buy this? Well, in part of it is because it is a sporty little truck. It's got the V6 in it, and it's naturally aspirated, so no turbochargers. You get really good gas mileage, and it feels like it's floating on air. You know, I will have to say that this thing is not intimidating to drive. I think that there's a lot of cars out there that feel intimidating the minute you get behind the wheel. This isn't one of them. And the cool part is it also has paddle shifters, which I like. You know, part of what this also offers is comfort. It goes over the road. It's super nice. It's quiet in this cabin. It has lane keep assist. It has all of your nannies that you're going to need to keep yourself focused on the road. It's got excellent acceleration. Again, it's a V6, so you're going to be able to move out pretty quickly. Has a ton of room for the kiddos. It has a ton of room for if you're going to Home Depot and you want to throw some stuff in the back. That's what I like about this. It feels really, really refined. Where the Traverse makes a case for itself is that you're looking for something that's safe, that's comfortable, that's very, very quiet, and it corners nicely. That's great. Look, if you're looking for a sport SUV, this isn't it. However, this is all about luxury SUV. It's really comfortable. The High Country Edition makes this car feel like something really, really special, especially these gorgeous leather seats. I absolutely love them. The High Country right up there on the seat cover. It just looks luxurious, and it feels luxurious. The other thing this does is it soaks up the bumps, and this is my favorite bump here because we always hit it every single one, and you don't feel the bumps. It just soaks it right up. So it's really good on uneven pavement. It's really good on being able to take those corners. Sure, it's a little bit heavy, but that's just on the corners. Otherwise, it is just an amazing car. And part of safety, especially for your family, because that's who you're buying this for, is knowing that you could get out of your own way. This is very, very agile, and it will get you out of its own way, which is what you want. You know, if you're behind a truck like this, a strap pops off, you got to get out of the way very quickly, and that's important. And you know you're going to be able to do that in this. Now watch how it handles this little dip right here. No problem. That's fantastic. That's what you expect out of a luxury car. You don't hear any rattles, squeaks, rolls, any of that. In addition to that, the lane keep assist buzzes in your seat, which is kind of a neat touch. It's a little freaky because I'm not used to that, but it drives super, super nice. Highly recommend. So who should buy the 2022 Traverse High Country? If you want comfortable, dependable 3-row seating in an SUV with a smooth V6, actual passenger space and all the luxury features that most families actually use, this deserves serious attention. It really does. It may not have the hype of the Telluride or the Grand Highlander, but after spending some time with this thing, that's what makes this thing so underrated. I highly recommend it. I think it's a great truck, and as you can see by the drive, it's just been amazing. Make sure you get up to the Highline group and you want to ask the team up here if this one's still available, because I think it's going to be gone pretty quick. I will also say that if you like this type of content, please make sure you like, you comment, and subscribe.